Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video, and I'm going to do my twist and twirl. So if you're unfamiliar with that, I will link a video showing you how I do that, but I mean, you'll see how I do it in this video. But I have a lot of other videos on it. It's basically an open cup pour where you're moving the cup over the canvas, but I move it and then I kind of lift it up a little bit, and then after I've done all that, I twist it out with I use a little piece of PVC pipe. So kind of just decide how I want to do this today. I think I want to just kind of go like this. So I'm going to go start here, and I'm going to go through the colors with you that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Liquitex Basic Bright Aqua, Blick Fluorescent Violet, Anthraquinone by Golden Blue, Dark Blue, Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet. These are my all-time favorite colors. Little color Shift Blue Flash by fluidart, and Dioxazine Purple. Where's that? Right here. By Liquitex Basics. Might use a little of this Candy Apple DIY by Art Minds. I can't even find this anymore. It's like an iridescent, but it's a cool color. And might put a little gold in there, so we'll see. So let's get started real quick. This will be a quick video, hopefully. Alright, so I'm going to start with my Dioxazine Purple. Let me just give it a little shake. So what I do is, my white's already down, obviously. Put it right there, and I'm going to pour. Oh, I need to mix some more of this up. Pour some of that in there. And I'll put in the aqua green, and they're going to mix together. Alright, and then some of the color flash. Let's do the color flash next. And that was the light violet. Right, and then I'm just going to pick it up a little bit. Pick it up on this side, pick it up on this side. Alright, and then stop. And then I'm going to start with more colors. I'm going to put the green, and then the Anthraquinone blue. I'll put a little gold. Let's do the bright purple. And I'm going to twist, pull it up, twist, pull it up, twist. I got in there. Let's do a color shift again. Oh, the aqua. Oh, jeez. And the aqua blue, dark blue. And a little bit more of the green. Okay, so you see the effects that I'm getting. Do a little of that. I kind of don't have a rhyme or reason when I do these. I just put the colors in because I know which, by now I know which colors mix really well together. That was the gold. Okay. And in case you're wondering, there's no silicone in any of my paints. just do a little bit more and that's it. And then I'll start twisting it out. That's it. Okay. Wipe that off. All right. And I'm just gonna pop some bubbles. This looks really cool actually, the way it is right now. All right. So I'm gonna start just twisting it out a little bit. So I'm gonna start, these colors are gonna start to mix together. And you're just lightly going over the surface of the paint. Almost gives it, I think, a 3D effect. And you get some drips, so just tap them out. But every time I take my pipe off, I wipe it. Anyway, so until you get the overall look you're going for, you just keep twisting and twirling it. I kind of like it where it is right now. So I have my little drips. I'm just going to tap them out. You can even put a little white paint on your glove or your finger. Just tap them out. Just little drips. This is really pretty in here. See if I can get some more swirls in there. All right, well, basically it. You can twirl as much, just be careful, the colors will start to get muddy if you twirl too much. But that's it. I think this is pretty cool. I like this. I like just having a lot of negative space too. And just make sure that you have your sides with your white. I will go back around just to make sure that everything's covered, all my sides. I see it come right here. The paint is a little thinner. See? You can even twirl with your finger. But that's basically it. Yeah, I don't know. Like, they're really cool. They're fun to do. I've done some really big ones. I've sold a few. They're just really cool abstract pieces, and you can kind of do as much as you want on the canvas. And you can even do it a little smaller and just leave a lot of negative space. I'm trying to think, I have one right here. I'll show you really quick. If I can get it, it's hanging on the wall. Hold on one second. And then this one's all varnished and everything. But you see the color, it's the way they, this was a 10 by 20. Yeah, so they do come out pretty. There you go. Alright, well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Alright, have a great day, and I will see you again soon with another video. Bye-bye.